I just want to explain something that the derivative of 3x to the second power is equals to 2x. With that in mind, how can we find that derivative? The derivative of this project is 5x to the 8th power, when 6 and x is to the 10th power. The derivative is 5, 8x to the second power equals 40x. When the derivative is 6 to the second power is equals x0, x times 10 square root of 4. If you see this scam, d over dx, this is equals to 2x squared. If you the differentiation is gonna be 3y. If that differentiates y 5, 6, hopefully you're gonna find a way of the value when 4x, if you differentiate 7 cube 6, hopefully you will not find a better answer than 4 to the second power. The derivative of 3, if you recall, some value of x, f equals tangent line of 3. Inspired by something angelistic, sense, and beautiful. Some beauty in everything and everyone recognize beauty. Energy and externalize. Feeling inspired by something beautiful. Give the idea to create something beautiful. Notice and appreciate everything around me. I recognize the angels from Atlanta that by any artistic creation will symbolize beauty, sincerity, integrity, and the qualities of spirit. When creativity activities such as flower arrangements, poetry, music, artwork, letter, paintings, I can be certain that the archangels are close. Thus, the overcome negative tabs, the angels from Atlantis heals thoughts of low self-esteem. They will help us restore soul fragments, and the universal guide to the angels, victims of our people's ignorant behaviors. Not to take things personally, conflict or challenges. They can protect us from our arrogant people and those poisoned by spiritual pride. Help us by our minds being blown away by addiction. Help us to study and help me to study, passing examinations and absorbing the skills, and they're gonna heal us in misunderstanding with other people, being beautiful to my life, and enrolled at the University of Arizona. My name is Jose Luis Ramirez Gastelum, aka as Miris TS. I'm in the middle of a very important meeting. Title I, Section 2 of the Constitution was modified by Amendment 11. The judicial power of the United States by law should pursue the education and the, even though I don't have one. In the Library of Congress, I am presenting a request to the Board of Directors of the Library of Congress that I'm entirely sympathized by the amount of 1.5 billion. The reason for this waiving is to make my payments before the semester of spring of 2018. I did express my concern over my financial for help for a higher education. In particular, I'm requesting the following help of financial aid to begin classes early. Due to my financial difficulties, I'm forced to ask for aid. I asked Janice R. Brock to reconsider me, to identify me at the Oval Office if I'm considered a prospective candidate for this request. Please ask to spell out my present qualifications and estimate the time it will take to get this done. If you and I can identify at least one similar project of community and cooperative project to make the problem solvable, to see if I'm qualified candidate acceptable to all of the other directors, I know that they will move me forward to honor my request and my position. Sincerely, Jose Luis Gastelum. Respectfully submitted this July 28, 2018.